So let's start with the countdown pop-ups in the Hello Bar. So this Hello Bar is built with the Plus add-ons pop-up builder, so you do not need Elementor Pro for this. One thing to note here is that I'm using the Nexter theme, which is similar to the Hello theme for Elementor, but it's kind of like the Hello theme on steroids. So if we go into our pop-up builder here, we can see we have a few options for the pop-up type. Modal pop-up, reveal content, corner box, and slide. We can also control the direction, so if the pop-up pops up from the top, the left, the right, or the bottom. We're going to be focusing on the slide for the pop-up type and the top for the open direction. To choose the actual content that's going to appear, we just go under select content and choose our template. I'll just select my Hello Bar content section. Under extra options, we can control when the pop-up closes, and under display options, we can control when it shows up. Pretty cool stuff. So the actual content, the template, is built with Elementor. I have it over here under templates, save templates, Hello Bar content. Once I open it, you're going to notice we have our containers over here, and the one I'm interested in is the one that contains the countdown widget. So now I have my countdown widget opened. Under countdown date, we're going to set the countdown setup to normal countdown. We can choose a few styles over here, but I'm going to stick to the style 3. Then we can set our date and time over here. Under label, you can set your own custom text here according to your needs. So for example, I can make it go from days to custom, but I'm just going to leave it as is. Now a very cool thing is available under extra option. We can set an after expiry action. We have 3 options over here. We can show a message, we can show a template, and by showing a template, we can essentially show any content we want, and we can redirect the user to another page. The template and the page redirect are very exciting. You can essentially change out the content, or you can make users go to a different page when the countdown expires.